How to open a Sharjah Islamic Bank SIP zero balance account in the UAE. 1. Download the SIP digital app from Google Play or App Store. 2. Open it and tap Open SIP digital account. 3. Enter your email and mobile number, then verify with the OTP sent to your phone. 4. Scan your Emirates ID both front and back to automatically fill in your details. 5. Review the info, agree to the terms and conditions, and tap confirm. 6. Take a selfie for identity verification. 7. Enter your employment details, monthly salary, and select digital account as the product type. 8. Choose the purpose like savings or salary and request your SIP digital prepaid card. 9. Add your address for card delivery. Confirm you are not a US citizen and submit your application. 10. Create your username and password for future logins.